Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are talking about something a little bit different than I have ever spoken about on this channel before. We are talking about Lego. Now, Lego is something that when I was a kid, I was obsessed with. And then having like nieces and nephews, I have bought a lot of Lego as gifts for them. But Lego has not been a part of my life for, I would say, like 20 plus years. Like, it's been a long time. Anyway, so I know you probably don't care, but I'm still gonna tell you my life story. I have been to the Lego store a couple of times in Sydney and near our house. Actually, there's just been one that's opened. And I'm obsessed. I love going in there and seeing the different things. So it was my birthday recently and I received Lego. So the hard thing, this was from my husband. We kind of were both on the same page about the whole, once you build it, if it's not something you want to like really see or display, what's the point? Because it's just going to be put in a cupboard and you're not really going to want to see it. He surprised me with the bonsai. So it's actually beyond perfect. I love it so much in the space. And yeah, this is the first Lego I've had in, honestly, I can't even tell you, it has been just so long. So this one is for 18 plus. It says it has 878 pieces, and I'm assuming that's just like an item number or something there. So the cool thing about this, if you haven't seen the bonsai, I think the light's just blowing out a bit. Hopefully that's not too dark. We'll do that. So the amazing thing about this particular item is you can choose if you want the green bonsai or you can do the pink bonsai. So I think that that's so cool that you have the option. So yeah, it just says you can swap all of the foliage basically. And with this one, you actually can customize it and like move it around to suit what you want, which I really like as well. It also comes with this little like stand here. Again, you can use it or you cannot. So I'm gonna show you the item. So I finished it, and to be honest, I moved it around a lot because where this sits is kind of higher, so you're looking at it from below. So I'm going to show you a photo I took. So when it's on the shelf, it looks like this, if that focuses. Because the camera actually just overheated. So this is more when you're looking downwards, it looks really good. So this is it. How, I'm so scared it's gonna fall. How amazing is this? I am actually obsessed. Really, like, I love this and putting Lego together so much more than I actually thought I would. So if you look like closely, it's just like, it's really cool. So you don't see the back where I've got it, but that's just an overview of it. So obviously I went with the green tree, but I added the pops of pink. It also does come with these little frogs. So I've put them at the front and I've put, so the brown and the pink one there. And yeah, the cool thing is you can like move some of the branches. So you just make it into what you want and what like speaks to you, which is really cool that although it's something out of a box, you can make it personalized in a way. So I also think it's so cool. In the bottom, they give you these pieces. So it's like little rocks, which I'll just, they're like this, and you just chuck them in like it's little rocks. They just think of everything. So of course this you can use or you don't have to use. I do like it for where I have it sitting. I think it does just, I don't know, it adds something. It looks really nice in my opinion. So I did this over 2 days. I honestly could have done it in one, but I was just like doing it in between things. I did not find this difficult at all. So again, this was my first piece in so long. Some of the instructions I did have to read a couple of times to like try and understand what they wanted you to do. And there were a few times I was like, I can't find this piece. I just cannot find this piece. I had no missing pieces. I actually had 3 pieces left over. So praying that they weren't for anything too important. They mustn't be, because it's still standing. So I don't know, but yeah, I highly recommend, if you haven't checked out Lego or built something Lego in a while, definitely maybe look into it, because it could surprise you. Also for reference again, so this is what the box looks like, and this is $69 in Australia. So yeah, I don't know if you buy it somewhere else other than the Lego store, if it's cheaper or not, but if you can get it cheaper, definitely shop around. But I highly recommend Lego. I absolutely love it. So if you have this one, definitely let me know your thoughts, or let me know which piece you would think I might like to try next. I've seen the hotel, which looks amazing. But it's just, where am I going to put it? I'm not too sure, but yeah, that looks absolutely incredible. I really love it. I don't know if there's anything else I wanted to tell you. I was going to film a time lapse of putting it together, but I didn't even think until I was halfway through. So let me know if I do get another piece, if that is something you would like to see as well, because I can definitely do that. But yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.